Hello students, today we shall be discussing the elimination method to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, we shall be using an example to understand how to solve the problem using elimination method. Come on. So, let us take the first example of exercise 3.4 and we will be solving exercise 3.4 along with understanding the elimination method. Okay, so let us consider the first problem. This is exercise 3.4 question number 1, and in that we will be taking the first question. The first question is like this: solve the following using elimination method. So we have two equations given, x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So here in this case, for elimination method we have two equations, the first one and the second one. Now the step says that we need to make the coefficients of any one of the variables equal. We need to make the coefficients of any one of the variables equal and then either add or subtract the equations correspondingly and to get the value of the other variable. Okay, so let us proceed. So in this case, the first equation will be multiplied by 2, or say, let me take, either I can multiply by 2 to make the coefficients of x equal, or I can multiply by 3 to make the coefficients of y equal. I will be multiplying by 3. So the first equation is multiplied by 3 and what I get is, so 3x plus 3y equal to 5 into 3 is 15. Now equation 2, we already have a 3 here. We are not worried about the sign, but we are worried about the coefficient, only the numerical coefficient. So equation 2 will be multiplied by 1 and we get, say, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Okay, so now we need to add to eliminate. We just have to observe and understand whether we need to add or subtract to eliminate y. The coefficients of y are equal. Okay, so we need to add. So while adding these two equations, you can eliminate these two, and 3 plus 2 will become 5x, and what you have here is 19. So x equal to 19 by 5. So x is equal to 19 by 5. Okay, so now let us use this value as we did in substitution method. We'll use this value and put it into any one of the equations. So let me consider this equation. So from equation 1 we have x plus y equal to 5. So x equal to 19 by 5. So it is 19 by 5 plus y equal to 5. So what we have here is y equal to 5 minus 19 by 5, that is 25 minus 19 by 5. So we have 6 by 5. So y is 6 by 5. So the required solution will be 19 by 5 comma 6 by 5. Therefore the required solution, the solution is 19 by 5 comma 6 by 5. Okay, you can pause the video and note the problem. Let us now move on to the second problem, and the second problem is, let me write down. The second problem is like this. So we have 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Okay, so this is again a similar question. So consider this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. I will try to make the coefficients of y equal by multiplying 2 to this equation. Let us try to solve this problem. So solution. For the solution, what we do? We keep the equation 1 as it is. So we multiply it by 1 and what we get is 3x plus 4y equal to 10, and we multiply this equation number 2 by 2 to get, so this is 2x becomes 4x minus 4y equal to 4. Okay, so now again here we need to add them. So when you add, these two variables get eliminated or subtracted to 0. So 4, 5, 6 and 7x, and what we have here is 14. So x is equal to 7 2s are 14. So we obtain x as 2. So once you get x equal to 2, we substitute this thing into any one of the equations. Now from equation number 2, we have 2x minus 2y equal to 2, which can be further simplified as x minus y equal to 1, because dividing by 2 throughout you get x minus y equal to 1 and you put x equal to 2 here. So 2 minus y equal to 1. So y will be equal to 2 minus 1, which therefore y equal to 1. So therefore x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the solution. You can pause the video and note the problem. Now let us move on to the next problem. And the next problem is question number 3, using elimination method. We have substitution method also to be solved using these problems. So here the question says it is 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x equal to 2y plus 7. In this case, the given equations are not in the standard form or not in the required form, so we may need to convert them into the required form. So here in this case, this is 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. So from the first equation, what we have here is, so this is 3x minus 5y equal to 4. I am taking this 4 to that side. Next, we take 9x minus 2y equal to 7. I am taking this 2y to the left hand side. So variables on the left side, constants on the right side. That is how generally we do for solve. This is a set of equations. So this, let me take this as the first equation and this as the second equation. Now we shall try to make the coefficients of any one of the variables equal, and in doing so I will be multiplying. What should I do? I should be multiplying by 10. I should get 10 as the coefficient of y. So how to do that? We shall make the coefficients of y equal. So to make that, equation 1 will be multiplied by 2, and we get 3 into 2 is 6x minus 5 2s are 10, y equal to 4 2s are 8. And equation 2 will be multiplied by 5, so that we can get 10 here. In previous questions, any one of the equations were to be multiplied, but in this case we need to multiply the coefficient of y in this equation to that equation and the coefficient of y in this equation to that equation, so that they will become equal. Equation 2 into 5 will give you 9 5s are 45x minus, and what you get here is 10y equal to 7 5s are 35. Okay, now here both of them are having equal signs, so we need to subtract to eliminate them. So we need to change the signs. Okay, so this will get now eliminated. Now 6, so here we have minus of 39x, and what you have here is 35 minus 8. equal to 27 negative. So we have x equal to 27 by 39, and that becomes equal to 13 3 is a 39, 13 here and 3 into 9. So x is equal to 9 by 13. X is 9 by 13. Now we shall put the value of x. X equal to 9 by 13. X equal to 9 by 13. Now we shall use that and substitute it in any one of the equations to get the other equation. Now which is this? Let me consider x equal to 9 by 13. Let me consider this equation. 3x minus 5y equal to 4. So now from 1 we have 3x minus 5y equal to 4. So x will be equal to, so x is 9 by 13 minus 5y equal to 4. Okay, 9 3s are is 27 minus 13 5s are 65y equal to 52. Now what happens is 65y, everything is in y. So we have minus 65y equal to 52 minus 27, and that is equal to 52 minus 27 will give you 25. So we have 25 is minus 65y. So y equal to yes, here it is 25 by 65 negative. So y will be equal to, see, 13 5 is 5 into 5 5 is 25, 5 into 13 is 65. So minus 5 by 13. So we have, so therefore we have x is equal to 9 by 13 and y equal to minus 5 by 13. So these are the two values of the variables which are required. So we understand that how to solve a problem using elimination method. So for elimination method, what are we going to do? We will be converting the equations into this form first of all, and then we will try to make the coefficients of any one of the variables equal. Once we make the coefficients of one of the variables equal, we eliminate that variable by either adding or subtracting according to the signs of the equal coefficient variables, and then we find the value of the other variable. Using that variable, we will putting that value of the variable into any one of the equations to get the value of the other variable. So that is how we do it. You can pause the video and note the problem. Question. So here it says that if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? Let us see that. Consider a fraction. Okay, so let us assume that let x by y be the fraction, the required fraction. Okay, let us assume that x by y is the required fraction. So here this is the numerator and y is the denominator. X is the numerator and y is the denominator. So it say from the first statement, let us read, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, then the fraction, the new fraction will be 1. Okay, so it says that from given conditions, we get, what do we get? If we add 1 to the, see, this was the original fraction, x by y. So if we add 1 to the numerator and 1 to the denominator and subtract 1 from the denominator if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1. The new fraction is 1. Okay, so let me simplify this thing to get the simplified form. Okay, so this becomes x plus 1 equal to y minus 1, which becomes x minus y equal to minus of 2. Okay, this will be our first equation, which is obtained from the first condition. Now we will focus on the second condition. It becomes 1 by 2. See, it says that it becomes 1 by 2. What? it becomes 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. If we add only 1 to the denominator, if we add only 1 to the denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Okay, only the denominator is added by 1 and it becomes 1 by 2. So now again simplifying, you know the simplification, that is 2x equal to y plus 1, and then this is nothing else but 2x minus y equal to 1. So this will give you the second equation. Now you have equation 1 and equation 2. Now here the coefficients of y are already equal, so we can subtract equation 2 minus equation 1 by elimination method, or subtracting 1 from 2 we get, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2 we get, see how can we do this, 2x minus y equal to 1, and we have here is x minus y equal to minus of 2. Okay, here the signs are same, so we need to change the signs, minus plus plus. This will get cancelled while adding, and 2 minus x, 2 minus 1 is x, and that is equal to 3. So we get x equal to 3. Now we can put this value of x into any one of the equations. Let me put it into this equation. So from equation 1, we have x minus y equal to minus of 2. So now we can put this value of x as, that is 3 minus y equal to minus 2. So what is this? So y will be equal to, or I will write it as this is 3 plus 2 equal to y, that is y equal to 5. Okay, what is x and what is y? X is the numerator. Always as you feel that you have completed the problem, go back to the question. What is supposed to be found? What is the fraction? So the original fraction is, or the required fraction is x by y, and x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So this is our problem. You can pause the video and note the problem. So the next problem is question number 2. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu, and 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Find their present ages. Okay, so how can we do this? So let us consider that let the present ages of present age of Noori be x years, and the present age of Sonu be y years. So, okay, so now 5 years ago, what happens? Goes back. So from given conditions, 5 years ago Noori's age was thrice Sonu's age. So Noori's age 5 years before 5 years. Okay, so before 5 years Noori's age will be x minus 5, and Noori's age was thrice Sonu's age. Okay, so that is Sonu's age before 5 years was y minus 5. Let me simplify this, and you get x minus 5 equal to 3y minus 15, and that is x minus 3y equal to minus 15 minus plus 5 equal to minus of 10. Okay, so this is your first equation. Now the second equation can be obtained from the second statement. 10 years later, after 10 years, what will happen? After 10 years, what will happen? After 10 years, Nouri's age. What is Nouri's age after 10 years? It will be x plus 10. Today it is x. So after 10 years, it will be x plus 10. So that is x plus 10. And that will be twice Sonu's age. What is Sonu's age after 10 years? It will be y plus 10. Okay. So therefore, we have this is x plus 10 equal to 2y plus 20. So x minus 2y equal to 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. This is your second equation. This is your second equation. Okay. So now we shall use elimination. Can you solve on your own? Just try and then pause the video and try the problem. After that you can look into the problem. Okay, I will solve. Or in case if you are having doubt, you can go back to the I button and learn the basics and come back. Okay. So now let us move on further. So this is x minus 3y equal. Here already the coefficients of x are equal. So I will directly subtract equation say 2 and 1 or 1 minus 2. So equation 1. Now subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. What do we get? We get say x minus 3y equal to minus of 10. And here we have x minus 2y equal to minus of 10 plus 10. Now we need to change the signs. Okay, so this will get eliminated. So here we have minus y equal to minus 20. Okay, so y equal to 20. Y equal to 20. Now we shall substitute this value of y equal to 20 in any one of the equations. Let me take this equation. Now from equation 2, we will take the equation number. We have two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. You can take any one of these two equations and put the value of y to get the value of x. So I feel this is simple or better. So x minus 2y equal to 10. So instead of 5 we will put 20. So x minus 2 into 20 equal to 10, which will give you x minus 20 to 40 equal to 10. So which will give you x equal to 50. Okay. So therefore, what is the question? Go back to the question as soon as you feel you have answered. So how old are Nouri and Sonu? That is the present ages. So present age. Therefore, the present age of Nouri, that is x of Nouri is x equal to 50 years, and that of Sonu is y equal to 20 years. Okay, this is your answer. You can pause the video and note the problem. Next problem. We have the next problem on the board. That is, the sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. Now, what is a 2-digit number and what is the standard form of a 2-digit number? Suppose the digits are x and y respectively, or say suppose if we have let the tens place digit be y and the unit place digit is x. Okay, let us assume that let the unit place digit be x and the tens place digit be y. Okay, so then say if the unit place digit is 1 and the tens place digit is 8, then the number would be 81. If the unit place digit is 7 and the tens place digit is 4, the number will be 47, like that. So it becomes 40. So the tens place digit is multiplied by 10. and the ones place digit is 1 multiplied by 1, that is it is multiplied by its place value. So the standard format will be like this. So we already have it. Therefore the 2 digit, the original 2 digit number is equal to 10y plus x. Obviously if you interchange the places, the y will be replaced by x and x will be replaced by y. So therefore the number obtained by interchanging digits will be given by 10x plus y. Okay, so for any 2 digit type problem you need to write down this pack. This much is necessary, and usually this is customary to write all these things. Now we shall read the information. So what is there? The sum of digits of a 2 digit number is 9. So from given data, so from given information, what is the information? The sum of digits of a 2 digit number is 9. That is a sum of digits. Which are the digits? X and y. Their sum is equal to 9. Okay, so sum of digits is 9, means say sum of digits equal to 9. So what is the sum of digits? It is x plus y equal to 9. So this will be your first equation. Now 9 times this number, 9 times the original number. Second equation can be formed by this. So 9 times original number is means equal to 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. That is 2 times new number. 2 times the new number. This is called the new number. I will take this as new number. Okay, so that is new number. So we can form the equation as, therefore 9 into 10y plus x, and that is equal to 2 into 10x plus y, which can be further simplified as, this is 90y plus 9x equal to 20x plus 2y, which can be further simplified to, say this is 9x and this is 20x. So if 9 goes that side, it becomes say 11x, and here we have 90y minus 2y is 88y. So we have say 11 into 8, so 8y equal to x, 8y equal to x, or x minus 8y equal to 0. We have x minus 8y equal to 0. So this is equation number 2. This would be easy in case if you use substitution method, because say x is equal to 8y, so you can directly replace x by 8y. Okay, so you get, now we shall use elimination by elimination method. Elimination method. What can we do? Okay, this is x plus y equal to 9, this is x plus y equal to 9, and this is x minus 8y equal to 0. So you subtract or change the sign, this will get eliminated. We have 9y equal to 9, or y equal to 1. Okay, y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. So now we can put y equal to 1 in any one of the equations. Which equation? This equation. Now from 1 we have x plus y equal to 9, and y is equal to 1. 1 plus x equal to 9. Okay, therefore x equal to 8. So therefore original number, we always need find the number. This is what we need to find. This is what we need to find. The original number. Original number is 10y plus x. With the original number of original 2 digit number is 10y plus x, and that is equal to 10 into y. Y is 1 and x is 8. So 10y is this is 10 plus 8, and that is equal to 18. So therefore original two digit number is equal to 18. Okay, pause the video and note the problem down. Okay students, now we shall move on to the next problem. The next problem is, Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only, and she got 25 notes. Okay, so she wanted to withdraw 2000 rupees and in rupees 100 and rupees 50 notes only. So actually from the question it says that she got a total of 25 notes, and how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 was she received. So the total amount is rupees 2000. So therefore let number of rupee 50 notes, 50 rupee notes be equal to x, and the number of rupees 100 notes that she received be y. Okay, so clearly number of 50 rupee notes is x and number of 100 rupee notes is y. So she has a total of 25 notes. She has a total of 25 notes. So that is x plus y is equal to 25. So total notes equal to 25. Total notes equal to 25. So this gives you the expression that x plus y equal to 25. Now the total amount with her is equal to 2000 rupees. Okay, so therefore from this expression we get how to get the total amount. The total amount involving only rupees 50 and total amount involving rupees 100 and their sum. Okay, so how many, what is the amount of money which is only in rupee 50 notes? That will be, suppose we have x notes of rupees 50, so the total amount will be, so x notes of rupees 50, therefore the total amount in rupees 50 notes will be 50x. Okay, so that is 50x. Same way, if the number of notes of rupee 100 of 100 rupee notes will be, if the number of 100 rupee notes is y, then what will be the total amount in those notes? That will be 100 y, 100 y, and the total amount is 2000. Okay, 50x, so 50 x notes of 50 rupees, y notes of 100 rupees will total to 2000 rupees. Okay, x notes of 50 rupees and y notes of 100 rupee will give you 2000. So let me simplify this expression. This is your first equation. Second equation can be simplified further. So let me divide throughout by 50. So this becomes x plus 2y equal to 40. This is your second equation. Okay, first equation and second equation. Here we already have x equal, so I can subtract 1 from 2. So we will do equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, so this is x plus 2y equal to 40 minus, so this is x plus y equal to 25. So let me subtract. So this will get eliminated. We have y equal to 15. Y equal to 15. When you put x equal to y equal to 15 in any one of the equations, now from equation 1 we have x plus y equal to 25. We have x plus y equal to 25 and y is equal to 15. So I'll place 15 here. So what I get is 25. So x equal to 25 minus 15, which will give you 10. Okay, So x is equal to 10 and y equal to 15. So what are we expected? How many notes of rupees 50? So number of 50 rupee notes, rupee 50 notes, 50 rupee notes equal to 10, and number of 100 rupee notes equal to how much? 15. Okay, so she got 10 notes of rupees 50 and 100 and 15 notes of rupees 100. You can pause the video and note the problem. Let us now move on to the next problem, that is lending library. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. The Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So here what is the situation? A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. First 3 days it is a fixed charge, whether she returns it before 3 days or within 3 days, it will be something fixed. Okay, so if suppose for the first 3 days it is x, so let the fixed charge for first 3 days is rupees x, and the cost or the charge for each extra day after 3 days, okay, is rupees y. Okay, so then for the first 3 days it is x, and for the remaining days it will be rupees y each per day. Okay, so from given conditions, now from given conditions, what happens? Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 21 days. So she keeps the for 7 days. Sarita paid 27, so total amount will be 27 for 7 days. So how many days? 7 days, out of which 3 days she had to pay the fixed charge, and for the remaining number of days, how much remaining? So we have 7 days. 7 days, how much rupees? It is rupees 27. Rupees 27. So 7 days can be partitioned as 3 plus 4. Okay, so this is how it goes. This is the rough part. So 7 days she pays rupees 27. So first 3 days it is fixed, and for the remaining 4 days she pays y rupees each. Okay, so therefore for the first 3 days it is fixed as, so therefore we have say x. For the first 3 days she pays rupees x, and for the remaining 4 days each day she pays y rupees y. So for 4 days she will pay 4y, that will be equal to 27 rupees. Okay, now same way for the next question, for the next part, Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Again 5 days she paid rupees 21. Okay, so 21 rupees is paid. Okay, so 5 days can be partitioned as 3 fixed days and 2 days extra, which will give you 21. Okay, this is what you need to understand and know. So this is again the rough part, what you need to know. So this is the first equation, and you have say x plus how many days extra? 2 days, and for each extra day she pays y rupees, so 2y equal to rupees 21. So this is the second equation. Okay, so the first equation is x plus 4y equal to 27, and the second equation is x plus 2y equal to 21. Okay, so now what we have here is x plus 2y equal to 21 and x plus 4y equal to 27. So already we have the x equal, So we shall subtract 2 from 1. So equation 1 minus equation 2 will be x plus 4y equal to 27, and here we have x plus 2y equal to 21. So let me subtract. So while subtracting, we change the sign. So x will get eliminated, and this is 4y minus 2y equal to 2y, which will give you 27 minus 21 is 6. Okay, so y equal to 3. Y gives you 3. Y is 3. So she kept for, so it is rupees 3 for each extra day. Now let us take any one of the equations. Which equation will be better? I hope equation number 2. Equation number 2. So from equation 2 we have x plus 2y equal to 21, y equal to 3, x plus 2 into 3 equal to 21, so x plus 6 equal to 21. Okay, so it is 21 minus 6. What is 21 minus 6? 21 minus 6 will be 15. X equal to 15. Okay, so therefore the fixed charge for 3 days is rupees 15, and charge for each extra day is rupees 3. You can pause the video and note the problem.